Right. Now, let's see. Where's the best angle here? There we go.
I don't know.
Am I in? Oh, I laughed a little too hard at that.
So we got our window, and there it is, finally. Getting ready to go put it in, and hopefully I'm not disappointed. We've waited pretty long for this thing, so hopefully it goes in well without too much of a problem. Oh, I'm excited. Ready to get this part over with. That's nice. Gotta put stickers on them. We picked this up last night, it was raining. So evidently these stickers don't like water. Like on the other window, they came right off. Give me that.
Well, I'm just gonna lay it right here for
Hey.
now.
This is self-sealing flashing that is going to be kind of tough to put on because of our siding. I'm going to do my best with it. Right or wrong, whatever. Like a lot of things I do, I'm doing the best I can with it, so it'll be fine. Trust me, it can't be any worse than what it was. And again, this is, in the grand scheme, temporary. When we go to do the outside of the house, all this will get dealt with at that time. I can't do anything with the siding right now. Alright, I'm gonna need your
My
help,
assistance.
probably.
Okay. Let me go get a sweatshirt on. I'm gonna be cold.
Gosh. No help. Putting in a little filler metal because I need to fill metal, wood, because I got to fill some gaps. I'm fighting a little cold. Sinus drainage every year this time. My sinuses drain, make my throat hurt, and then for whatever reason, I don't know what happens, but it gets in my chest. And I know it sounds like a cold, but I don't think it really is. I don't know. I know what it's not.
No COVID.
And that'd be the Rona. No COVID. And then I'm ready.
All right.
Okay, I need you to, so open, slide it over here. There we go. Open it.
Okay.
Okay, you're just gonna have to help me lift it out.
Okay. Ready?
see the level right there. Ah,
What?
perfect.
I feel like it needs to go this way. There's like a huge gap, but no gap over here. Like this was up against this, but then over here it was like that wide.
So now it's good?
I mean, now it's equal on both sides, I guess.
Okay.
You could say.
As long as you're happy with it, babe. That's all I need. You happy?
I'm happy. I'm happy.
Okay, I need you to hold it.
Okay. Woo, that caulk stuff's strong.
When you're editing, when you're doing your final edit. So what you want to do next is I learned everything I know from Tommy Silva. I love that guy. Whenever you're measuring, you gotta say quarter. 1 1/4.
Here.
I'm just saying. What good is it doing right now over there?
I already filmed you doing this though.
So? Start a show, yo.
Are you not?
Don't we love us some us?
I need to be up there with you so I get some good angles.
Man, you're scared of your own shadow. You ain't gonna be out here on this roof.
I'm not, you're right. I don't even like to look over the steps.
All right. What do you think, Mom?
Looks good, I love it.
Okay, I gotta trim it out here. Put some trim on it. Put a little trim. Little bit of trim. 2 by 37 3/4.
Yes.
4
Mm-hmm.
by 37 1/2. 2 pieces, 55 1/4.
Okay.
3 1/2 by 55 1/4. 2 7/8. It's just that far off. I mean, it's just
2 7/8 by what?
55 1/4. I need 1 2 7/8, 55 1/4,
And 1 3.5 by 55
and 1/4.
Okay. And then you need one that's 2 by 37 3/4, right?
37 3/4.
And then 4 by 37.5.
Yes.
Okay.
Meet me down at the saw.
Is that 37 3/4?
37 3/4.
You about nailed me in the head.
Take it easy.
Oops.
Drama. You're a drama queen. I don't think so. Negative ghostwriter. Pattern is full. What do we need?
Oh, grief.
Ouch.
We needed
2 7/8.
2 7/8 by 55 1/4.
I can't use either one.
Well, dang.
55 1/4.
Mm-hmm.
opening in the with the trim. I can't help it. You know? The other trim was like that. When they cut the J channel, they put the siding on. They cut the J channel to fit the other
Right.
window opening, and it's just what it is. My window is straight.
Hey,
What?
it's fine.
Right. I'm putting trim up. I need a nail gun. Please.
I didn't point it at your face. I don't think.
That'll be the start. The blooper.
You tripping?
The blooper for the start. All right, give me my dimensions.